Want to become an excellent operations and supply chain professionals but don't know what to do and how? Take a look at our course, Master in Operations and Supply Chain Management. In this course, you will not only learn the key concepts about fundamentals of operations and supply chain management, but also find a integrated approach to operations and supply chain management to best deliver the business strategy that is not taught at the business schools. You can also attend video sessions to clear your doubts on this topic anytime. Get Udemy's 30 days money back guarantee. Review for yourself many lectures covering each section for free. And if you like the content, enroll for the course, enjoy, and become an excellent operations and supply chain professional.